Students, in the chapter of Dr. Gore and the giggling host, I have explained about the story of Dr. Gore, that why he is looking very crazy due to the mischief, due to the giggling of the ghost. And I had told you that the doctor, the doctor fall down from the ladder when he was trying to get the file of a patient. Now, let's see. But he missed a step, and before he knew what was happening, he flew down like a fat bundle of clothes and landed on a swivel chair. What is swivel chair? Students, swivel chair means a chair on which you can turn the seat around without moving the base. मीन्स एक ऐसा चेयर जो अपनी जगह से बिल्कुल हिले डुले ना, लेकिन आप उसमें बैठकर चारों तरफ मूव कर सकते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड स्विवेल चेयर. Okay, students, you see here, as the doctor landed over the ladder, he fell down like a fat bundle of clothes, and he fell down on a chair with a sound. The files rained down like so many flapping, squawking birds all around him. फ्लैपिंग, फड़फड़ाने की वर्ड को बोलते हैं फ्लैपिंग. स्क्वैकिंग एक बर्ड्स का साउंड होता है, इसको हिंदी में ची ची करने की शब्द बोलते हैं. तो एट दैट टाइम द फाइल दैट वाज इन द हैंड ऑफ द डॉक्टर वाज स्कैटर्ड टू मेक साउंड लाइक फ्लैपिंग एंड स्क्वैकिंग ऑल अराउंड हिम. इस तरह से आवाज़ करते हुए फाइल उसके चारों तरफ फैलना शुरू हो गई. As if that wasn't all, a bottle of indelible ink left open by mistake toppled over and fell all over Dr. Gore's lovely bald head. Here in this line, student, you can see this was not enough that the doctor fell down over the chair. Here, the another matter, another incident happened. There was a bottle of ink, and it was indelible ink. Indelible ink means impossible to remove. Impossible to remove is called indelible. Indelible ink left open by mistake toppled. Toppled means गिर जाना. Over and fell all over Dr. Gore's lovely bald head. डॉक्टर गोरे के जो बाल थे, वो कुछ बाल नहीं थे हेड में, बाल्ड हेड था. बाल्ड हेड मीन्स गंजा सर. और सारे जो इंक था, जो मिट इम्पॉसिबल रिमूविंग इंक था, जो मिटने वाला इंक नहीं था, उसके सर के ऊपर पूर्ण रूप से स्कैटर हो गया. ओके. It was then as Dr. Gore was swirling round and round with indelible ink, and at that time Dr. Gore was swirling around. Swirling means rotate himself round and round. चेयर पे खुद को round round rotate कर रहा था, और he had forget all about his ink that was scattered over his head, trickling into his ears. और जो ट्रिकलिंग मीन्स कनेक्ट हो जाना, जुड़ जाना. जो इंक था वो डॉक्टर के हेड से लेकर के उनके ईयर तक कनेक्ट हो चुका था. एंड सीट ऑफ पेपर एंड फोल्डर्स फ्लोटिंग अबाउट हिम. और जो पेपर्स की जो सीट्स थे, वो सीट्स जो फाइल्स के अंदर पड़े हुए थे, एवरीथिंग वाज फ्लोटिंग अबाउट हिम. That he heard it again, khi. And meanwhile, everything was happening against him. He was in problem, and meanwhile he heard a noise. It was a noise of the same sound that was often came there. Khi. Dr. Gore, who normally wouldn't hurt a fly, was furious. At that time, Dr. Gore, who was in normal condition, but it seemed that he was furious, and he began to leave the place. He swirled out of the swirling chair and charged out into the corridor. Corridor means होता है गलियारा. उस समय डॉक्टर गोरे जो था ही वॉज लुकिंग फ्यूरियस, कुछ भयभीत दिखा, और आफ्टर दैट ही डिसाइडेड टू लीव द कॉरिडोर एंड ही लेफ्ट हिज चैम्बर. Everyone who saw his face got a shock. When he entered into the corridor, everyone shocked to see him. सब लोग उसको देखकर शॉक हो गए. And one patient who had just been cured of fainting fits fainted again. और डॉक्टर को देखकर एक पेशेंट जो अभी कुछ देर पहले बेहोशी के हालत से बाहर निकला हुआ था, once again he was fainted to see the dangerous appearance of the doctor. एक बार फिर उस डॉक्टर के डेंजरस अपीयरेंस को देखकर वो मूर्छित हो गया. He was yelling at the top of his voice, and doctor was yelling. Yelling means shouting. डॉक्टर जोर जोर से बस चिल्ला रहा था, hark hark, there is a prank playing poltergeist in this hospital. And at that time doctor was only shouting loudly. Poltergeist means होता है घोस्ट. डॉक्टर जोर जोर से बस चिल्ला रहा था, पकड़ो पकड़ो, इस हॉस्पिटल में एक घोस्ट घुस गया है, उसको पकड़ो. एंड इट इज लाफिंग एट मी. डॉक्टर गोरे was shouting loudly that I, Dr. Golu Gore, shall trap it, catch it. वो चिल्ला रहा था कि मैं डॉक्टर गोलू गोरे इसे पकड़ना चाहता हूँ, मैं इसे पकड़ूंगा, मेरे ऊपर ये हंस रहा है, मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहा है, इसको सब लोग पकड़ो पकड़ो. ही वॉज शाउटिंग लाउडली एट दैट टाइम टू standing in the corridor, and everyone was shocked to see this appearance, this presentation of the doctors. With my unparalleled power means better abilities than those of anyone else. With my unparalleled powers of super anti meta poltergeist, I shall utterly splash it. Doctor says that I have used my all ability, all my power against this poltergeist, against this ghost, but now I am saying, I am shouting heavily that he is only trying to splash me, and it requires that we have to catch him. We have to catch this ghost without